Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to go onto accessibility. So first you want to quickly go into settings, then scroll down to accessibility. Next what you want to press is spoken content. Then press speech selection and speech screen. Although mine's already on, I'm going to quickly turn them off and show you what to do. Next what you want to press is voiceover. Then click speech. Then click voice. Then I'm going to quickly show you one of mine.
Hi, my name is Daniel.
That was Daniel. And then I'm going to quickly go on Karen and turn it on. So all you have to do is click it and download it. That's all.
The craft was launched successfully toward the moon, but 2 days after launch a faulty oxygen tank exploded, and the service module became damaged, causing a loss of oxygen and electrical power.
Hi, my name is Jess and I will be showing you some tips and tricks on display and brightness. So first we're going to scroll down and there's display and brightness. Obviously we're going to click on it. Next there's a lot of buttons, but right now we're just going to focus on appearance. There's light and dark mode and automatic. Light mode looks like this and dark mode looks like this. There's also automatic under it. We're going to press on that and options should appear. There's sunset to sunrise, custom schedule and light and dark. Sunset to sunrise means at sunset it would turn dark and sunrise, well, it would turn light. Custom schedule means you get to schedule when it changes. Next we're going to click out of it, which is display and brightness. Click that again. And then I'm going to quickly switch back to my original settings. Next is brightness. Obviously you won't be able to see it change on my screen, but this is how it would basically look like. Next you can also ask it set down here at the top right and flicker around with it. Then there's night shift. It basically turns your screen a yellowy colour and it's better for your eyes when it's at night. Next is text size. We're going to click on that. It's down here. And this basically, you get to change your text size. So say I wanted it huge or small. This is how you change it. There's also bold text, which I already have on, but here's with it without.
This is how to copy and paste. So first of all, search up what you'd like to, copy and paste. So I'm going to search up fun facts about Robert Burns. Okay, then you're going to hold in the words there from where you'd like to copy and paste. Then in a wee second you'll see this highlighted and just drag it right across and right up to where you'd like it. As you can see, it takes a few attempts sometimes to get it up. There we go. And then you press the copy button and then go on to where you'd like to copy and paste the thing, then hold in the screen, then you need to try it again and then press paste, and then that's how you copy and paste. So now we're going to go on to reader's view. Quickly before we go on to about the whole reader's viewpoint, when you press the double A's, as you can see there's different colour options, so I just want to point that out there and you can select your colour. So this is how to do the reader's view. So as you can see I've got, what I'd like to read about there. So when you press the double A's, then press show reader, and then as you can see it shows all the important parts that you need to read about. And see, when I press hide reader, see there's loads and loads of stuff that is maybe not necessary to see and read about.